Did you know that every time you trade crypto, your identity might be at risk? This comes in the form of tracking, which could be a major problem when we're talking about crypto, a huge scam-prone industry. Whether you're using centralized exchanges like Binance or using DEXs, which are decentralized exchanges, you really should be considering your security and your identity. These platforms often track IP addresses, and they even ban accounts for using VPNs. But in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use Gologin to essentially mask your identity and actually have an anonymous identity online so you can access your exchanges and trade crypto from anywhere in the world. So this is Gologin, and as we can see here, it's super easy to get set up, and I'll talk to you a little bit what it looks like in a minute. But as you can see here, this could be very useful when it comes to actually trading on exchanges, avoiding things like KYC or geolocation restrictions. And the way these exchanges actually track this is through your IP address. So what Gologin do really well is they use proxies to essentially mask your IP address, making it look like you're trading from another country. And they're actually just going to open up a Chrome browser for you. And this would work a lot like a virtual machine or a VPN, but it's a lot easier and a lot harder for them to track. This is just going to make your whole trading experience a lot easier, and in terms of the speed of this thing, it's super fast and pretty much seamless compared to your normal trading experience. So here we are inside Gologin, and it's super easy to set up a new profile and get straight on the internet pretty much instantly. Here we're going to press add new profile, and then as we can see here, we're going to have an option to name our profile, actually have a folder if we want for it, and add our own proxies or use the Gologin proxy. With this proxy, we can select residential, mobile, or a data center, and we can select what country we'll want this to be from. Then we're just going to simply press the run button. And then as you can see here, it's going to open up a tab for us in which we can then browse the internet safely, or in our case, trade crypto from anywhere in the world. Now, they also have the option here to choose different proxies. As you can see here, each of these will be from different countries. We can see the UK there and America as well. And once we're happy with one, we just select it and click run again, and it will open up another Chrome browser. From that point, we can then just use the internet as we wanted to. And as you can see here, super fast in terms of speed. There's going to be no delay here like you would expect 10 years ago with proxies. So the technology and infrastructure right now has got really good for this stuff, and that just makes crypto trading that much easier. Now, why is this useful for a crypto trader? Well, if you're using privacy coins such as Monero or Zcash for transactions, this could be something that you might want to do a bit more privately just based on the nature of those coins. As well as that, choosing decentralized exchanges, Uniswap, DYDX, to avoid KYC can be a way to get around a lot of the SEX trading restrictions. But if you did want to use a centralized exchange, then Gologin is the absolute choice here for masking your location and getting around their restrictions. As well as that, if you do want to log in with different accounts, you can do so with this very simply, and managing those accounts on Gologin is super easy, as we've seen here today. And the final point here would be to encrypt and secure your crypto wallets in a secure place. Gologin are very safe and secure. Their security is some of the highest in the world when it comes to proxies and just managing your accounts from one place. When it comes to pricing, you would expect this to be in the thousands, but as you can see here, the professional version here, which gives you 100 unique profiles, is actually only $24 per month, which is great when you're thinking about trading and masking your IP to essentially trade on the exchanges or the places that you want to. And if you are a business that wants to manage multiple accounts or multiple proxies to scrape data or something like that, this is another great option, because on the enterprise level here, which again is only $100 per month, you can manage up to 1,000 unique profiles. You can also add team members here, and you get 2 GB of location data storage. So that is Gologin, and that is how I manage my crypto trading when I'm traveling around the world. Super easy, super secure, and you can essentially get past any centralized exchange restrictions using this platform. That's going to be it from me. Hopefully this has been valuable to you, and I will see you guys in the next video.